I'm Teresa Roach.
And I'm Philip Sherwood.
And we are going to share some Latin and ballroom dances with you today. Hi, we're dancing the Jive, and we're going to get you jiving too.
The Jive is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gentlemen, these are your steps. We're starting with the weight on our right foot and we're taking a step to the side. We're closing our feet and then taking another step to the side. Now we're going to go back the other way. We're taking a step to the side with our right foot. We're closing our feet and taking a step to the side.
Ladies, it's your turn. You're going to take a step to the right on your right foot, and then close your left foot to your right foot, and then take another step to the right on your right foot. You've guessed it, we're going back the other way. You take a step to the left on your left foot, bring your right foot to your left foot, and then take another step to the left on your left foot. And when we speed it up, it looks like this.
Now gentlemen, we're going to do a variation of the Jive step called the back basic. We're going to have the weight on our right foot and we're going to take the left foot and we're going to place it behind the right foot, put your weight on it and then replace the weight back onto your right foot. We're taking a step to the side with the left foot, closing the feet and step to the side again. Then we're going back the other way, we're taking a step to the side on the right, closing the feet, taking a step to the side on the right.
Ladies, it's your turn. Your weight is on your left foot. And you're going to take the toe of your right foot, place it neatly behind the heel of your left foot, and put the weight onto that right foot. And then place the weight onto your left foot. And ladies, please note this, just 1 second, that when you do that, you'll get this movement. So now we're going to take a step to the right on our right foot, close your feet in the middle, and then take another step to the right on that right foot. You guessed it, we're going back the other way. Step to the left on your left foot, bring your right foot to your left foot in the middle, and take a step to the left on your left foot.
Now when we speed it up, it looks like this. Back, replace, shutter.
Back, replace,
Side, close, side,
side, close, side.
Back, replace, side, close, side, side, close, side.
Before you know it, you're jiving!